So now moving on to the next category, we will now understand what do we mean by multiples. Suppose you have a number 3. Now 3 if multiplied by 1 gives you 3. If multiplied by 2 gives you 6. If multiplied by 3 gives you 9. And if multiplied by 4 gives you 12. So all these numbers, the result which comes out, are called multiples of 3, which means that all these numbers are divisible by 3. So what happens here is that in such a case, basically, if you multiply 3, you can get all these numbers which can go on to any level, because as you multiply by 3 by number of numbers, you can get as many of such numbers as possible. So the number which is the product which comes out once you multiply 3 by all these stuff is called the multiple of 3. And this list is endless. And one of the common thing which is there is that each of these number is exactly divisible by 3. So does this sound something familiar? Yes, of course it does, because what we discussed a short while ago was about factors. So 3 is going to be a factor of all these numbers, because these numbers are multiples of 3. So there's a relationship insofar as multiples and factors are concerned. Any number which is a multiple of another number, say for example, here we take 12. This 12 I am taking because 12 is something which I took in the earlier example. So 12 is a multiple of 3. So therefore it is reasonably safe to assume that 3 is a factor of 12. And the list of multiples of a number is endless, because there can be as many multiple of a number as you can think of.